Dear students, welcome back to the chapter Surface Areas and Volumes. In this period, we will move on to a few more questions in the exercise 13.1. Let's see the next one. The paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area equal to 9.375 meters square. Focus on the unit. How many bricks of dimensions 22.5 times 10 times 7.5 can be painted out in this container? So we have few bricks to be painted. So the question here is how many such bricks can be painted if the dimensions are 7.5, 22.5 and 10 centimeters. So remember the units of the bricks are in centimeter and the given area is in meter, so we have to convert. To convert from meter to centimeter, we multiply by 100. But here meter square, so we have to multiply it twice. So multiply it by 10,000. So move the decimal 4 steps forward. So this number changes to 93750 centimeter square. This is the total area that can be painted with the paint in this container. Now let us see how many such bricks can be painted. For that, first of all, we need to see what is the total surface area of this cuboid. Surface area of a cuboid is 2 times LB plus BH plus LH, which is equal to 2 times 22.5 times 10 plus 10 times 7.5 plus 22.5 times 7.5, which is equal to 225 plus 75 plus equal to 937.5 centimeters square. Now we have to consider n times the number of bricks is equal to total area. Total area is given here in centimeter square. So n times the area of each brick is 937.5 is equal to total area is 93750, all of them in centimeter square. So to get n, we can divide it both the sides. Therefore, number of bricks that can be painted is equal to 93,750 divided by 937.5. Now to move the decimal, you can multiply by 10 on both the sides, in the numerator and in the denominator. So it changes to be 937,500 divided by 9375. So we are left with 100, which is equal to 100. So we can paint 100 bricks with this container having the paint of equal to an area of 9.375 meters square. Moving on to the next question. A cubical box has each edge 10 centimeter. So this is a cube, each side is 10 centimeters. And another cuboidal box is 12.5 long, 10 centimeter wide and 8 centimeter high. Which box has greater lateral surface area and how much? So we have to find the lateral surface area of cube and cuboid. Lateral surface area of the cube is a square, a square, a square, a square, 4a square, which is equal to 4 times 10 square, which is 400 centimeter square. Next is lateral surface area of the cuboid. Do you remember the rule? From the total surface area, which is 2 times LB plus BH plus LH, lateral surface area will not have this. So lateral surface area will be 2 times BH plus LH. H is common, so we can take H also outside, L plus B. This is the simplified form of lateral surface area of a cuboid. 2 times, height is 8, length and breadth are 12.5 and 10, which is equal to 16 times 22.5, 360 centimeters square. Which box has the greater lateral surface area? This is 400. This is therefore cube has greater lateral surface area, and by how much? Is 400 minus 360, which is equal to by 40 centimeter square, because it is area. Now moving on to part 2, which is about total surface area. So again, we have to find the total surface area of the cube and cuboid. We have 6 faces, so 6 times a square, 6 times 10 square, 600 centimeter square is the total surface area of the cube, and that of cuboid will be, rule is here, so 2 times LB, 12.5 times 10 plus 10 times 8 plus 12.5 times 8. 80 plus, which is equal to 610 centimeters square. Total surface area of the cube is 600, and total surface area of the cuboid is 610. So we can find, therefore, cuboid has larger surface area, larger total surface area. And by how much? By 10 centimeters, by 10 centimeters square. So these are the final answers. Moving on to question 6. A small indoor greenhouse, which is called an herbarium, is made entirely of glass, including the base. So all the 6 faces are made up of glass and held together by a tape. So each edge is fixed with a tape. It is 30 centimeter long, 25 centimeter wide, and 25 centimeter height. What is the area of the glass? So which is again total surface area of the cuboid, which is equal to 2 times LB plus BH plus LH, which is equal to 2 times 30 times 25 plus 25 times 25 plus 30 times 25. 4,250 centimeter square is the total area of the glass. Part 2. How much of tape is needed for all the 12 edges? Can you guess what are the edges? We have 12 edges, which is the length, and on the other side also length. So 4 times length. So edges will be 4 times length plus, again we have 4 times width or the breadth, again 4 times height, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is common, so we can take it out, L plus B plus H, which is equal to 30 plus 25 plus 25. So we have total edge, so therefore tape needed is equal to total length of tape is equal to 50 plus 30 is 80 times 320 centimeter. Moving on to question 7. Shanti Sweets stall was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. 2 sizes of boxes were required, the bigger of dimension 25, 20, and 5. 25, 20, and 5. And the smaller is 15, 12, 5. 15, 12, 5, each one of them in centimeters. We have to consider 5% extra and then find the total area and then find the total cost. such 250 boxes of each cases are needed. So first of all, we need to find the total surface area of both of them. So total surface area of the large box, big box, is equal to 2 times LB, 25 times 20 plus 20 times 5 plus 25 times 5, which is equal to, this is the total area of large cuboid. Now total surface area of small box is equal to 2 times 15 times 12 plus 12 times 5 plus 15 times 5, which is equal to 630 centimeters square. So total surface area of the boxes together is equal to 1450 plus 630, which is equal to, total we need 250 such boxes, 250 of each box will give an area of 250 times 2080 centimeters square, which is equal to 5,20,000 centimeters square. This is the total area of the box, and we need also 5% extra. 5% extra will give 5 by 100 of this number, which will be equal to 26 centimeters square extra. So we need to add total area is equal to, therefore, total area of cardboard. 5,20,000 plus 26,000, which will be 5,46,000. Now the total cost is equal to 5,46,000. For each 1,000 centimeters square, it is 4. So times 4 divided by 1,000. So which is equal to rupees 2,184. That is the total amount that they have to spend for buying the cardboard. Moving on to the last question. Parveen wanted to make a temporary shelter for her car by making a box-like structure with tarpaulin that covers all the 4 sides of and the top of the car. Front space will be rolled up. Assuming that the stitching margins are very small and negligible, how much tarpaulin would be required to make the shelter of height 2.5 meter, base is 4 and 3 meters, all of them in meters. So which means we have to find 5 faces. The basement is not considered. So from total surface area, we have to remove LB. 2 times LB plus BH plus LH. From this, one of the LB will be cancelled. So here with the required surface area will be equal to 2 times BH plus LH plus only 1 LB. This is the rule that we have to apply here. So 2 times 3 times 2.5 plus length and height 4 times 2.5 in the bracket plus length times width, which is 4 times 3. 7.5 plus 10 plus 12, which is equal to 17.5 times 2, it is 35 plus 12, which is equal to 47 meters square is the total tarpaulin required. Therefore, tarpaulin required is equal to 47 meters square. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.